Cloud's overhyped. It's a name that's very generic, and it's scared a lot of people away because there's a lot of technical terms being used around it. Software as a service, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. And that's not really what they should be looking at. What they should be looking at is what could it do for me in my business or in my personal life. And what it delivers in reality is more flexibility to access whether it be your data or your applications on any device, anywhere, at any time. So take, for example, sharing files. The old world where it's very difficult to move big files around and get them to people. Today, using whether it's Microsoft SkyDrive, Google Apps, Dropbox, Boxnet, very cheaply, if not free, you can drag a file on your PC into a directory and seconds later be accessing it on your iPhone, your BlackBerry, or your tablet device. Or you can share it with someone else around the world, not one needing to know or wondering how the technology is going to work, simply by knowing their email address. So cloud really enables businesses to do things simpler and more affordably than they've ever been able to do before. And what we're going to see in the market is increased innovation, faster delivery of new applications to businesses, and in a way that everyone can afford. If you look at students coming into business today from education, they take it for granted. They're no longer going to be looking at building a system, buying a box, software, configuring it, and spending weeks before you can even access it. They're going to expect to turn something on, to log into a website, fill some details in, and be up and running in a day. And it's making businesses far more agile. It's also making small businesses more competitive and able to service and engage with customers far quicker than ever before. Many years ago, we had applications that were only available to the enterprise customer. They were too expensive, too complex. Today, we have small businesses using applications that the enterprise and corporate customer uses as well. So it's really changed the way we digest and use technology. It's taken away all the techie speak and the technology and meant the small business can operate much more reliably, much more secure and affordably than ever before.